Today I'm going to do a bonus episode and talk about the Mac and describe some of the features of OS X, the Mac operating system, in the same way that I did for Windows 10. The OS X login screen is similar to almost all login screens, with the option to select a user account and enter a password. It's worth noting again that this password is not overly secure and anyone who is serious can readily bypass it. Now we can look around and start naming a few things. The first up is the desktop. Like Windows, this takes up most of the screen and is covered by the desktop image. On top of the desktop images are the desktop icons, often starting with just a hard disk icon, but frequently having a tendency to get very cluttered on some people's Macs. On the top row, we have a full set of context-aware menus, meaning that they change depending on what application is open at the time. In the top left corner, we have the one constant, the Apple menu, which always contains a list of system-related tasks, including information about the Mac, system preferences, the App Store, some recent items, and the ability to shut down, sleep, or restart the computer, lock the screen, or log out the current user. The right side of the top menu is much like the bottom right in Windows 10, holding wireless information, battery information, the clock, the name of the current user, as well as search and notifications. The main application on the Mac is the Finder, which acts as Desktop Manager and File Manager in one, much like Windows Explorer does. The bottom of the desktop is made up of an area called the dock, which functions very much like the Windows 10 taskbar, though in fairness the dock was around in this form first. The dock shows both favourite applications and also open applications, as well as having space on the right for favourite folders, open documents, and the trash. Most of the settings for the Mac are in the System Preferences pane, similar to the Windows control panel, which looks like this. To be honest, that covers most of the important things about the Mac. Once you load an application, there is very little difference between most Mac applications and their Windows 10 counterpart. I hope that's been useful to you, especially if you're a bit afraid of using a Mac. There's nothing to fear, and while things look a bit different, most differences are largely either cosmetic or so deep the average user will never see them. At the Tech Doctor Network, our goal is to help you feel comfortable with your computer, whatever it is. We're here to guide you each step of the way so you can be comfortable with your technology and make the best use of it. We release new videos every weekend and would love you to subscribe. If you have a question or a comment, just pop it in the comment section below. I'm here to help you. Thank you so much for watching.